Okay.
Alright, let's see if we can get this over there.
The power line's in front of the house. Okay. Oh, it's not doing nothing. Oh, now we have the awning there too, which makes it way harder.
Yep.
Oh, here she comes, she sees it.
She's recording
She's
it.
recording now. I hope she realizes it's a fishing hook.
Oh my God! Oh my God, it's on a fishing hook. It is totally going to hook me. Oh my God!
Go down a
Oh,
little
don't
bit.
hook yourself. Oh, yay, she got it.
Oh, let me get it off. Oh my God. The guys are camping on the other side of the property. And they brought me a roasted marshmallow in the rain. What is that word? I go. It's perfectly roasted. It's a little cold, but it's delicious. Oh my God.
Oh, it's
Would you
funny
like to try to buy it?
Yes. I was cold, but it's good.
It's cold. We are literally sitting on the couch
Watching this lady play.
watching some gardening on YouTube, and all of a sudden a drone is in the doorway with a marshmallow hanging from a fishing hook.
We did another one. It was good.
It is pouring rain and they're camping. Oh my gosh, y'all. The shenanigans are abundant.